into the world of dinosaurs. First, we will start with Stegosaurus. It had a small head but a big body. It ate plants, not meat. Stegosaurus lived a long time ago. Stegosaurus had big plates on its back. Let's go to color. We will use green to color it. This part of its body with orange. A little orange for its nails. Now let's go to Pterodactyl. A flying dinosaur. The pterodactyl could fly in the sky. It had big wings and a long beak. It was not a dinosaur, but it lived with them. Coloring time. For this part of its wings can be a good choice. Pterodactyls were very good at flying. To color its body. Do you know pterodactyls ate fish and small animals? Awesome! It's the turn of T-Rex. T-Rex was a big and scary dinosaur. It could run fast to catch food. It had sharp teeth and tiny arms. Its molds yellow. for its nails. Now we will use blue to color it. T-Rex ate meat and was a strong hunter. It was one of the most famous dinosaurs. What a beautiful dinosaurs! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, my friends.